Okay guys, let's look at how to copy a file or folder with terminal. This is my desktop folder. I want to make a copy of this Hello Udemy folder. To do it, I am going to navigate to my desktop folder. CD desktop. To make a copy of folder, I am going to write cp minus r and folder name hello. Now in this my folder there is a space for this backslash and space and Udemy, and you have to enter a new name for this. I'm going to enter hello backslash world. Okay, let's enter. Now let's check with ls. Now there is my old folder called hello Udemy and there is a new folder called hello world. Now let's look at how to make a copy of file. In my desktop folder there is a file called icon.jpg. Now I just want to make a copy of this file. To do it, I am in a desktop folder right now, and now let's clear all previous tasks. Clear. Now first type cp. You don't have to use -r because file is not a folder, right? cp icon.jpg, it is original name, and you have to enter new name for file. I am going to use icon1.jpg. Alright, now let's check.